Most infographics look messy, broken text, awkward spacing, and designs that just don't feel professional. But what if you could generate flawless visuals in one simple step? With Gemini's Nano Banana update, you can. This breakthrough makes sure every word is perfectly aligned, every layout is clean, and your infographic is ready to impress, whether you're teaching, researching, or marketing. Today, I'll walk you through exactly how to do it, step by step. This is AI Smart Wealth, your channel for AI and business growth. We show you how to use the latest AI tools to create professional content and unlock new opportunities. If you enjoy this tutorial, hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step AI guides. Here's the roadmap of 5 clear steps you'll learn in this tutorial. Step 1. Provide your data. Paste your own information or let Gemini generate it. Simple enough, right? Think of it as feeding the brain before it starts working.
Step 2. Use a structured prompt. Define your audience and the message you want to share. It's like giving directions to a GPS. If you don't tell it where to go, you'll end up, well, lost.
Step 3. Enable Nano Banana. Activate this feature to guarantee flawless text. No more typos. No more awkward spacing. It's like having a proofreader who never sleeps, but way less annoying.
Step 4. Generate and download. Create your visual and save the final image. Click. Boom, done.
Step 5. Multi-language support. Instantly translate your infographic into other languages while keeping the layout perfect. English, Spanish, Greek, your visuals go global without breaking a sweat.
And beyond those 5 steps, there are 2 bonus perks you'll love. First, Gemini is versatile whether you're a teacher making classroom routines, a researcher summarizing data, or a marketer building comparison charts. It adapts perfectly to your needs.
Second, the Nano Banana update guarantees flawless text and consistent visuals, so your infographic always looks polished and professional.
Step 1. Let's start by heading over to gemini.google.com. Here, we provide our data. For example, I'll type in this prompt, create a list of 10 healthy eating habits for kids, and just like that, Gemini instantly generates a clear list of 10 habits. Easy, right? It's almost like having a nutrition coach who never runs out of ideas and doesn't charge you for advice.
Step 2. Use the structured prompt. This is where we give Gemini clear instructions in a proper format. Instead of just saying "make me an infographic," we spell out exactly what we want. Here's the structure. Create an infographic based on the following information, accompanied by relevant type of visuals, appropriate for audience, aspect ratio, information to be presented in the infographic. It looks a bit formal, but trust me, Gemini loves clarity. Think of it like talking to a very smart assistant. The more details you give, the less chance it has to get creative in ways you didn't ask for. And nobody wants an infographic that looks like abstract art when you just needed a simple chart.
Use the structured prompt. This is where we move into the Tools section and give Gemini a clear instruction. For example, I'll type, create an infographic based on the above information, accompanied by relevant visuals, appropriate for students, 916.
Step 3. Enable the Nano Banana option, your secret weapon for flawless text and perfectly aligned visuals. And right after that, Step 4. Generate and download, so your polished infographic is ready to save and share in seconds. Then we select Create Image in Tools. Hit Submit, and wow, look at that! Gemini instantly generates a clean, professional infographic. It feels a bit like magic, except this magic actually listens to instructions. No abstract art surprises, just exactly what we asked for, asterisk. If you're enjoying this tutorial, give it a like and subscribe to AI Smart Wealth. That way, you'll never miss our step-by-step AI guides.
Here's another example using the same structured prompt. This time, I'll ask Gemini, create a list of 10 safety tips for kids at home. And just like before, Gemini instantly generates a clear list of 10 tips. It's super practical, almost like having a safety officer living in your laptop. The difference? This one doesn't nag you about leaving the lights on.
Now let's compare the results with and without Nano Banana. Without Nano Banana, the infographic still works, but you might notice small issues, uneven spacing, text that feels a bit off, or visuals that don't line up perfectly. It's like wearing a nice outfit but forgetting to iron it.
With Nano Banana enabled, everything looks polished, flawless text, consistent visuals, and perfect alignment. Suddenly, the infographic feels professional and ready to share. It's the difference between good enough and wow, that's sharp. For example, let's try this prompt. Create an infographic about time management strategies for effective studying.
Without Nano Banana, the tips appear but the layout feels a little messy. With Nano Banana turned on, the same content looks crisp, balanced, and easy to read, exactly what students need when they're already juggling deadlines. So yes, Nano Banana is basically your secret style upgrade. No wrinkles, no typos, just clean design every time.
Step 5. Multi-language support. Once your infographic is ready, you can instantly convert it into other languages. That means your content isn't just smart, it's global. Imagine sharing the same infographic in English, Spanish, or even Japanese. It's like giving your ideas a passport to travel the world.
If you enjoy this tutorial, hit like and subscribe for more step-by-step AI guides.